In front of me is INFINIX Zero X Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on gear icon at the top of it. Then select theme and pick one of those by clicking on a perfect one for you. I will go with this one. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher and hit apply. Then go back, and as you can see, after that theme of my keyboard has changed. To customize it though, go back to the same settings and click on this plus under my themes. Now tap on a photo you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move and hit next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage key borders and choose apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!